Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello class 6 peoples, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are looking at length, and as we all know, length is defined as, or length is the distance between any 2 points. The distance between any 2 points is what we call the length. Length is given in either in kilometers. Kilometers is the largest unit of length, which is written as km. Length is also given in meters. Length is given in the meters, that is m, or centimeters. Centimeters, that is cm. Those are the units of those are the basic units of giving or measuring length. Length is given either in meters, kilometers, or centimeters. And from the, we all know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to how many meters? How many meters is equivalent to 1 kilometer? We say that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. A distance, or when we say somebody has run a distance of 1 kilometer, it means that he has covered 1,000 meters. And we all know that 100 meters or 1 meter is equivalent to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. That big ruler, the one we call the blackboard ruler, is 1 meter long, and it is 100 centimeters long. So a distance of 1 meter, maybe from here up to here, is equivalent to 100 centimeters. Those are the various units of measuring length. And today I want us to look at something we call the centimeter. I want us to look at not centimeter but the millimeter. I want us to look at a unit of length we call the millimeter. That is mm. Millimeter, when you look at your ruler, when you look at your 30 centimeter ruler, the start part, the scale that is written centimeters, the scale that is written centimeters, that is the one we use when measuring different lengths. So that scale, for example, if you want to measure this line, the scale that we use when measuring that line, that is the centimeter scale. Now, in that centimeter scale, we have other small portions, we have other small markings which are on that ruler. From 0 to 1, we have other small markings there. Let's say, for example, this is 0. This is now where we have the centimeter. Then this is 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeters. I've just taken part of that ruler, that centimeter ruler. We have other small measurements. This is 0. Then we have 1. So this is now part of the ruler. That is part of the ruler. We have 0 centimeter and 1 centimeter. There are very small markings which are here between 0 to 1 centimeter. If you look very well or keenly at your ruler, you will see those measurements, because we have 0 centimeter to 1 centimeter. These are what we call the millimeter. Those are what we call the millimeters. Those small markings, those are on that scale from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, when you count, you'll get a total of 10 small markings. These are what we call millimeters. And between 0 to 1, there are 10 small markings. What does that one tell us? It tells us 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Because when you count very well from that ruler, from 0 to 1, we have 10 small markings. Those markings are what we call the millimeters. And between 0 to 1, there are 10 markings. Between 1 to 2, there are other 10 small markings. Between 2 to 3, there are other 10 small markings. That means after every 10 markings, we have now 1 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. This is equivalent to 10 millimeters. So, suppose we are told to measure the length of a book and give the answer in millimeters. So, I have a textbook here with me, and we are told to measure. We want to look at the length or the width of this book using our ruler. The width of this book is reading at 18 centimeters. It is on the 18 centimeter mark. So that means this book, the width of the book is 18 centimeters. So how many millimeters are there? What is this length in millimeters? We say that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. So when converting centimeters to millimeters, what do? We multiply by 10, because 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter. So the width of this book in millimeters, just multiply by 10. This is 180 millimeters. You can even count how many portions are there from 0 to 18. There are 10, 20, and you'll get 180 millimeters. So that is how we convert centimeters to millimeters. How do we convert millimeters to centimeters? For example, the length of a string is 200 millimeters. The length of a string is 200 millimeters. What is that length in millimeters? In centimeters. When converting millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10. We divide by 10 because 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. 200 millimeters you divide by 10 is equivalent to 20 centimeters. So that is how we convert millimeters to centimeters. Converting millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10 because 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. And when converting centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. Those are the units for measuring length, and we shall continue from there next time. Thank you.